Eat these 9 best foods to help repair your kidneys. Kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining the body's overall health by filtering waste products from the blood and regulating fluid balance. However, various factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can impair kidney function over time, leading to serious health complications. Fortunately, incorporating certain foods into your diet can support kidney health and even aid in their repair. In this video, we'll explore 9 of the best foods that can help repair your kidneys and promote overall renal well-being. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's jump right in and discover these kidney-nourishing superfoods. Number 1. Red bell peppers. 1/2 cup serving red bell pepper equals 1 mg sodium, 88 mg potassium, 10 mg phosphorus. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in flavor, but that's not the only reason they're perfect for the kidney diet. These tasty vegetables are also an excellent source of vitamin C and A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers are good for you because they contain lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect against certain cancers. Eat red bell peppers raw with dip as a snack or appetizer, or mix them into tuna or chicken salad. You can also roast peppers and use them as a topping on sandwiches or lettuce salads. Chop them for an omelet, add them to kebabs on the grill, or stuff peppers with ground turkey or beef and bake them for a main dish. Number 2. Cabbage. 1 or 2 cups serving green cabbage equals 6 mg sodium, 60 mg potassium, 9 mg phosphorus. A cruciferous vegetable. Cabbage is packed full of phytochemicals, chemical compounds in fruit or vegetables that break up free radicals before they can do damage. Many phytochemicals are also known to help protect cells from damage that could lead to cancer, as well as foster cardiovascular health. High in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, cabbage is also a good source of vitamin B6 and folic acid. Low in potassium and low in cost, it's an affordable addition to the kidney diet. Raw cabbage makes a great addition to the dialysis diet as coleslaw or a topping for fish tacos. You can steam, microwave, or boil it, add butter or cream cheese plus pepper or caraway seeds, and serve it as a side dish. Cabbage rolls made with turkey are a great appetizer, and if you're feeling fancy, you can stuff a cabbage with ground meat and bake it for a flavorful meal bursting with nutrients. Number 3. Cauliflower. 1/2 cup serving boiled cauliflower equals 9 mg sodium, 88 mg potassium, 20 mg phosphorus. Another cruciferous vegetable, cauliflower is high in vitamin C and a good source of folate and fiber. It's also packed full of indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates, compounds that help the kidney neutralize toxic substances that could damage cell membranes and DNA. Serve it raw as crudités with dip. Add it to a salad or steam or boil it and season with spices such as turmeric, curry powder, pepper, and herb seasonings. You can also make a non-dairy white sauce. Pour it over the cauliflower and bake until tender. You can pair cauliflower with pasta or even mashed cauliflower as a dialysis diet replacement for mashed potatoes. Number 4. Garlic. 1 clove garlic equals 1 mg sodium, 12 mg potassium, 4 mg phosphorus. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help prevent plaque from forming on your teeth, lowers cholesterol, and reduces inflammation. Buy it fresh, bottled, minced, or powdered, and add it to meat, vegetable, or pasta dishes. You can also roast a head of garlic and spread it on bread. Garlic provides a delicious flavor, and garlic powder is a great substitute for garlic salt in the dialysis diet. Number 5. Onions. 1/2 cup serving onion equals 3 mg sodium, 116 mg potassium, 3 mg phosphorus. Onion, a member of the allium family and a basic flavoring in many cooked dishes, contains sulfur compounds which give it its pungent smell. But in addition to making some people cry, onions are also rich in flavonoids, especially quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that may reduce heart disease, protect against kidney disease, and many cancers. Onions are low in potassium and a good source of chromium, a mineral that helps with carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Try using a variety of onions including white, brown, red, and others. Eat onions raw on burgers, sandwiches, and in salads, or cook them and use as a caramelized topping. If you have an air fryer, you can also try making homemade onion rings. Include onions in recipes such as Italian beef with peppers and onions. Number 6. Apples. 1 medium apple with skin equals 0 sodium, 158 mg potassium, 10 mg phosphorus. Apples may help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, protect against heart disease, and reduce the risk of cancer. High in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, an apple a day may really help keep the doctor away. Good news for people with kidney disease who already have their share of doctor visits. This kidney diet winner can be paired with the previous good-for-you food, onions, to make a unique apple-onion omelet. Apples are versatile. You can eat them raw, make baked apples, stew apples, make them into applesauce, or drink them as apple juice or apple cider. Number 7. Cranberries. Half cup serving cranberry juice cocktail, =3 mg sodium, 22 mg potassium, 3 mg phosphorus. 1/4 cup serving cranberry sauce, =35 mg sodium, 17 mg potassium, 6 mg phosphorus. Half cup serving dried cranberries, =2 mg sodium, 24 mg potassium, and 5 mg phosphorus. These tangy, tasty berries may protect against bladder infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall. In a similar way, cranberries may also protect the stomach from ulcer-causing bacteria and improve overall healthy gut bacteria, promoting GI health. Cranberries have also been shown to help protect against cancer and heart disease. Cranberry juice and cranberry sauce are the most frequently consumed cranberry products. You can also add dried cranberries to salads or have them as a snack. Number 8. Olive oil. 1 tablespoon, 14 gram of olive oil contains sodium, 0.3 mg potassium, 0.1 mg phosphorus, 0 mg protein, 0 gram. Olive oil is a healthy source of vitamin E and mostly unsaturated fat. It's also phosphorus-free, making it a suitable option for people with kidney disease. Most of the fat in olive oil is oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. What's more, monounsaturated fats are stable at high temperatures, making olive oil a healthy choice for cooking. Number 9. Egg whites. 2 egg whites =7 grams protein, 110 mg sodium, 108 mg potassium, 10 mg phosphorus. Egg whites are pure protein and provide high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids. For the kidney diet, egg whites provide protein with less phosphorus than other protein sources such as egg yolk or meats. Buy powdered, fresh, or pasteurized egg whites. Make an omelet or egg white sandwich. Add pasteurized egg whites to smoothies or shakes. Make deviled egg snacks, or add whites of hard-boiled eggs to tuna salad or garden salad to add extra protein. And that wraps up today's video on the 9 best foods to help repair your kidneys. I hope you found this information helpful on your journey to better kidney health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.